for that broken part that you can't find anywhere. The toy your kid keeps asking for, or that custom part that you need but you've been putting it off because you've had no way to make it or get it. You can print all of it. This is the Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus. Think about what a 3D printer could mean for you. The hinge on that drawer that nobody stocks anymore? Printed. A toy that your kids helped design, printed and painted together. The storage solution your partner has been asking for, whether it's a jewelry organizer or a spice rack. Again, you can print it. Replicating a broken item that you cannot source? Again, printed. Or that product idea that you need a prototype for without having to pay a factory to make one? Again, printed. There are millions of designs online and ready to print. The Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus has a build area of 320 by 320 by 385 millimeters, making it large enough to print a full helmet shell or a tray of parts on a single run. You are not stuck printing small. Internally, it runs Klipper firmware, which is the part that makes this printer smarter and faster than most. Other 3D printers might need manual tuning to be able to print fast without losing quality. The Neptune 4 Plus handles that itself without you having to do anything. Its default speed is 250 millimeters per second, and it can push up to 500. What used to take you a full day to print, you can now finish before dinner. It levels the bed automatically before every print. The nozzle maps the surface and adjusts. First layer down cleanly every time. It handles more than just basic plastic. From hard plastic to more squishy materials, if the project needs it, the 300-degree nozzle and high-torque dual-feeding extruder can print it. For ease of use, built-in acceleration sensors automatically calibrate the machine for cleaner prints. Plus, Wi-Fi and LAN connectivity lets you send files and monitor your prints completely remote. This printer is perfect for beginners to more advanced users, from being able to just download and print to having the ability to have more customized settings and timings. In the box, you will get the printer base unit, gantry frame, print head, touchscreen, spool holder, filament detector, Wi-Fi antenna, power cable, and everything you need to set up and start printing. If you are ready to start making things or upgrade from what you currently have, the Neptune 4 Plus is worth a serious look. Available now, click on the link below.